channel. In today's video, unfortunately, this is the last part of the Powerpuff Girls and the look that I went for with Buttercup. I did a smoky green type of look just because I didn't want to give her that glitter or a shimmer look because she's a tomboy and she's very tough and rough type of Powerpuff Girl. So definitely I wanted to incorporate that with this look for today. I'm so sad that it is over with, but let me know in the comments down below another series that you guys want me to do because I had so much fun playing with color. I think stepping out of that comfort zone and just going all in with makeup, for me, I had a ton of fun doing it. So let me know what you guys want to see as far as a series and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But for today's video, we are going to show you how I created this look for your girl Buttercup. So before we get into this video, please don't forget, you already know the drill. If you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Can you guys believe that we're already in September? And then blink, it's gonna be October, and before you know it, them Halloween tutorials, girl, she finna be right here, right real quick, you know what I'm saying? But I'm excited to do that. Definitely, I've had a little bit somewhat of ideas in my head to create for you guys for Halloween look. So be on the lookout for those videos. I'm telling you, they're gonna be bangers. But for today, we're just gonna get right into the last Powerpuff Girl, which I'm kind of sad. But again, you guys are gonna let me know what you guys want for the next series, right? That's what I thought. I'm just kidding. So let's get right into how to get this look. So since I've already primed my eye, we are going to go in to the MorphexJames palette and we're going to take this light green color as our blending crease. It's in the shade Social Blade. So we're just going to take that and just put it into our crease. Now, I wanted to do a smoked out green type of look for her just because, again, she's like very spunky and very tomboy. So I wanted to do that. So we're going to take our, what's it called? Setting powder. And we're going to put it right here. Just like that. So that way it'll give us like that sharp effect. Because in all honesty, I don't got tape. So if you have tape, you could do that. Like you could take the tape right there so that way it'll give you more of a sharper edge. But I don't got that, so gotta work with what I have. All right, so next, the dark green that we're going to take from the MorphexJames is this one. And it's in the shade Daddy. And we're going to take it into our outer V. And kind of just blending it in together. And I know, I'm not matching my foundation to my skin. So I don't got time to buy a whole new foundation to match my skin tone. So we finna just work what we got, okay? This is what we got here. And I wasn't expecting to get this dark. I mean, I don't know how I look on camera, like, but I could tell on myself, like, girl got a tan. So don't judge my pale looking face. we're going to cut the crease, like always. And we just did a half cut crease because we don't want to do a full one. Not for this look, at least for me. And the next palette, which I am so excited to try, well, on camera, it is BCosmeticsLaviedunprince collab that he did. I don't know how long ago he did it, but I saw it on their website. They were having like a sale going on, and this was on sale for $9 at the time, and I had to get it because of the color story, like, girl. And then for $9, yeah, I couldn't pass it up. So we're going to take Cocoon, that lime green one, and we're going to pack it to where we had our crease. Well, cut the crease. You know what I mean. Now we're going to blend all that in together because we can't have it looking all choppy and weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both Social Blade and Daddy and blend this in together so it's not so harsh. There we go. Just wipe this off. So, off camera, I'm going to finish up the rest of the look so that way we could move on into the lips. So I'll be right back. So off camera, I finished somewhat the rest of the look. I just didn't do the bottom, so I want to do that with you guys on camera. The style of lashes that I'm wearing is BeautyCreations Annette 69 collab that she did, and it's in the style Smoked Out. So I wanted to do something like that for this type of look instead of like those long wispy like lengthening looking ones. I mean, this one is still, but it's more like volumized, so I actually like it. So I'm going to take my little pencil brush, and in the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going to take Social Blade, which is that lime green looking color, and we're going to put it on our bottom lash. Just a little bit to give it that base, because we are going to take Daddy and smoking it out more. And then for my inner corner, I used Brillo from Laviedunprince collab from BH. So I used that for my inner corner and my brow highlight. So next, our bottom mascara, which I mainly use two, and it's L'Oreal Telescopic and Voluminous. So I'm gonna go in with Telescopic. So I just wiped off my chapstick, and the next part is the lips, and I'm going to take the lip liner, let me see, Makeup Talk from Morphe, if I can find it. Yeah. And we're just going to line our lips. Then take our lipstick. I think I'm going to take Catching Feelings from Dose of Colors, just a little bit. And mixing that with sand. For lip gloss, I'm actually going to take Honey I'm Home. So for lip gloss, I'm actually going to take Honey, I'm Home. And this is the completed and final look of the Powerpuff Girls. Let me know what you guys think. I was having so much fun doing this whole series. So if you guys want to have another series of something like this, let me know in the comments down below. But this is the end of the video. I actually really like it. I've never really played. I always say that in my videos. I don't play it with a lot of makeup because, girl, you know damn well we always do that neutral brown look. But to play with color is just so much fun because it's stepping out of your comfort zone and you're trying new things that you didn't think that you would ever do. So definitely, I freaking love this green eyeshadow. But let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I had a ton of fun doing this whole series. So let me know what type of series you guys want to see next. Definitely be on the lookout for Halloween because I'm telling you, girl, Halloween time is my time to bust out some makeup. So definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. But until next time, te quiero mucho, mis amores. Mwah. Please don't forget, if you are not already, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. Share this video and comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. See you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.